Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a nice content and a great idea to make your YouTube channel you wish. And this nice idea is highly valuable and grabs thousands and millions of views. And this great content is based on making suggestions and recommendations. In simple words, if someone loves a movie, he always searches for the similar movies to this movie with its genre, whether it is comedy, tragic, thriller, horror, action, and so on. Hence, in your YouTube channel, you will provide people with the recommendations and suggestions of the similar movies to this movie. And believe me, this great idea and this great content is highly required on social media like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Here in your YouTube channel, you will grab thousands and millions views. And in this video, I will provide you with a great tool that will help you in these suggestions and these recommendations, and not only for movies but also for TV shows, games, music, authors, and so on. So let me show you this great tool. And this tool is tastedive.com. Tastedive.com. And then in this great website, you will find any similar suggestions of any music, movie, TV show, book, author, game, and podcast. As you see here, you can explore personalized suggestions discovered through what you already love. And here you will find any suggestion with its rate and its brief, as you see in this movies category. Okay, and the same in TV shows, and the same in parks, and so on. Therefore, if you want to search for any suggestions of a movie, you can go through this movies category. Or if you want suggestions of a book, you can take this books category. Or you can take this everything category, and here you can type any word and you will find the all books, all movies, all authors, all games and the podcasts that contain this word or this keyword. Okay, for example, if you want recommendations of Troy movie, so as I said, you can take this movies category, or you can in everything category you can type this word like Troy, for example. Okay, and here you will find all categories like author, music, books, games, and so on that contain this word, as you see here. Okay, so we're gonna specific for this Troy movie. Okay, so click over that to find the all similar recommendations of this Troy movie. Okay, and here you will find the all suggestions and recommendations which are similar to the Troy movie, like Robin Hood, Kingdom of Heaven, Alexander, Gladiator, The Last Samurai, Ironclad, Fly Boys, The Patriot, and so on. And see more movies to find more recommendations, more suggestions of this Troy movie. Okay, beautiful website as you see here. Okay, and more and more and more. And here, as I said before, you will find its rate and its brief. Okay, like some analytics like dislike, like, and cost, and so on. Okay, it's perfect website that gives you the all recommendations and suggestions of any movie or any book. Okay, and on speaking about books, we can try in this books category, we can try The Rich Dad. Okay, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. As you see here, it is for Kioski, like this one. Okay, to find the similar suggestions and similar recommendations to this great book. Okay, as you see here, perfect results. For example, we can try TV shows, like if you want to find some recommendations to Game of Thrones, for example. perfect, like this one. You'll find it's similar recommendations like Legend of the Seeker, Shadow and the Poon, Once Upon a Time, and so on. Arrow, True Blood. Great results. Thus, in your YouTube channel, for example, you can make a video that would be about some suggestions, some recommendations to Game of Thrones TV show, and here you can show their names, their posters, and some small briefs. As you know, like box office episodes, okay? And here you can make hundreds and even thousands of videos that show the recommendations and suggestions of any movie, any TV show, book, games, and so on. In addition, you can make different playlist for music, playlist for movies, playlist for TV shows, and so on. And here we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.